Yeah, it gets me.
Thanks, mate.
You're all right, bud. Yeah, they're good.
Where'd you get from?
JB Hi-Fi.
Yeah?
Yeah. No, they're good. Yeah, it was pretty cool this morning.
Yeah, it's a bit nippy this morning.
Good morning everyone, day 2. It's about 8 o'clock. Had a bit of a frost last night. This is my cousin's car. Good morning.
Morning.
Ooh. There's like ice particles on top of his shovel on his roof. Yeah, so we poured in yesterday at a place called Deepwater, and got here yesterday afternoon, set up, free camp. We're lucky enough to be the only ones here, and got powered site, and yeah, awesome food here. They got a pub, little restaurant. We drive back here just to have a feed. Is that good? But yeah, it was -3 last night. Could be a bit more, but woke up to a frost. It's a bit icy this morning. Yeah, so day 2, we're heading to Tamworth now. How long are we going there for? 3 nights. Yeah, so we're heading there for 3 nights, and then off to Lightning Ridge. But we're going to do a little bit of a like day 1 and day 2 kind of thing together, and then day 3, day 4 and all that kind of stuff together, just so there's not too many videos. So yeah, alright, hope you enjoy it. Hooroo.
got smoke for starters. Might help with the fucking lung disease, and then I would. Oh yeah. I probably couldn't do it because my lungs.
G'day legends, back again. Yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this content that we've put together for you. We've got another one coming up soon, part 2 of our trip. We really enjoyed this trip. Over the 2 weeks we did 3,000 Ks, so yeah, jump on board, hit the subscribe button. Please leave a comment for us on the on these videos, as we hear your feedback on what we do. Yeah, so yeah, the other one should be up in a few weeks, so a week or so. So yeah, all right, thanks guys.